Hey there, nature lovers! I'm thrilled to share with you one of the ocean's most mesmerizing spectacles. Imagine you're diving, surrounded by the tranquil blue of the sea. Suddenly, a shape shifts in the corner of your eye. It's an octopus, one of the smartest creatures beneath the waves. Now, octopuses are not just brainy, they are masters of disguise. Their ability to change colors and textures is nothing short of magical. Watch as it transforms from a smooth, sandy brown to a vibrant red and bumpy texture right before our eyes. This isn't just for show, it's survival. By mimicking the colors and patterns of its environment, the octopus can hide from predators and sneak up on prey. But how does this incredible feat happen? Well, beneath its skin, the octopus sports layers of specialized cells called chromatophores and iridophores. Think of chromatophores as tiny, colorful balloons that expand and contract to show different hues. Iridophores, on the other hand, reflect light, creating that shimmering effect that can dazzle and confuse. And here's a cool fact. Some species of octopus have a third type of cell called leucophores, which reflect the color of the environment, making the camouflage even more convincing. Nature's own optical illusion. Let's not forget, the octopus is not just about colors, it's incredibly intelligent. Research shows that octopuses can navigate mazes, solve puzzles, and even use tools. Just when you think you've seen it all, these geniuses of the deep throw another surprise our way. So next time you dip your toes in the ocean, remember there's a world of wonder just beneath the waves, populated by incredible beings like our friend here, the octopus. Thanks for diving with me today. Stay curious and keep exploring.